I got a beautiful R-Pod. This little fiberglass jewel. Look at this little sucker. This is a nice little trailer. Let's go take a look. Forest River, this 4-season package they put on here with the Murphy bed in the front. But this is a clean, nice looking trailer. Pre-wired for solar, but this thing has beautiful interior. Look at all this storage. Nice shower. But look at this. A larger fridge. A central vac system. Oh my gosh. Look at all the storage. But look at this. This folds down. Let's make the Murphy bed.